Hello everyone, this is a practical demonstration of velocity profile generated in laminar flow. The velocity profile you can see here is parabolic in nature by the equation of velocity profile in v is equal to minus 1 by 4 mu del p by del x r square minus r square. The r is the radius of the this inner radius of the pipe and small r is the assumed radius we can say for up to this streamline. And now we can see here r square denotes the velocity profile will be parabolic because of this relation. The square value is used which is used for parabolic. So we can see here the x in the center line. The velocity is maximum, but when we are going to the pipe cross section or pipe radius, the velocity is decreasing and it is 0 or tend to 0 at the radius of the pipe. So yeah, these are the fluid particles which are moving in streamlines because in laminar flow it is actually a streamline flow. The particle will move in a streamlines and it does not be in a zigzag motion. So when we see in the entrance zone, all particle is at the same point, but when we are reaching at the exit of the pipe, so the velocity the this blue color particles will not be fast as the red color particle. So we can simply say that the velocity at the center should be maximum and the velocity will be minimum at the radius of the pipe. There are all some relation also. Maximum velocity which are u is equal to u max 1 minus r by r square by r square, and the mean velocity. In this animation of laminar flow, you can see the straight line as a streamline, and the particle like red particles, blue particles, yellow particles, sky blue particles, and green particles, they are water particles. Red particle denote the fluid at center, and pipe center of the pipe. Yellow and sky blue denotes at some radius from the center. The velocity is maximum for the red particles and minimum for sky blue particles. And so the velocity profile is as we see in the previous slide can be understood by this animation, why it is parabolic and why it is maximum at center, and why shear stress profile is just inverse of it, like 10 to 0 at center and maximum at surface of pipe due to hindrance from the surface or hindrance between the layer. The maximum velocity can be seen at in the red particles, and the minimum velocity in the sky blue particles. So we can relate here the velocity profile, how it can be generated. So if you consider it good, hit like, subscribe and comment. Okay, thank you.